for the Fantadol, president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. Akwaba Sonko Zeba, the World Best Entertainment Show. Do na at the pay at Nasi or Cafe Banwa as usual. Into no Mobademiano, Yenye, favorite celebrating, no favorite gospel artist, no favorite artist, be another actress. So be also Mobiano and the pay. Bro, now the thing there, Cafe Banwa hade no CCR no wabe one of the hottest spots one can hade. Say a baby papa na inyes papa na iza or your Cafe Banwa Jolu police station in Channel Honoma na Ibinya nti no bomozna na bra I hade na wato ba kebusu no ho because ye chire busu anyen nti na baba kebusu ku no ho na tum na wa so for won se wo na ka de Cafe Banwa wa so aba hade da ehwe environment o wa hade ya aha ye fe wie papa akra ye show na so no ndua na aza we dudua wa hade ne few na mframa oboma heni nti no etna hade hu de ha ye nwin kukuru wa ha ye kama papa nti no se epede frɛ Cafe Banwa from one was 05016066975 frɛ Cafe Banwa na enyi woni nzin sawdo mepede ye bia packages so honom zemo epeda wo ye buffet na ze bro kra na wotum na wo ye na arrangement ni nyinara o wa ha tino no ho asamara nyina mama nsanmo nton Franco Trading Enterprise so mfamo na Franco ze ye nyina ye nyimpa de ho ye phone papa ifie nti se pe phones another pe electronic device papa biaza agede Franco Trading Enterprise na ibinya no wo ho no nti no bomozna na from ho no so na enyi ho nkasa o 024 642 2338 for Franco Trading Enterprise na anyone is odo number bia wo kom bia e fake number ya mobile ma we ono no oya papa anti no for Franco was 024 642 2338 for Franco na anyone is odo na in there my guest no be mpeda me introduce my guest no but more thing there sisi wo wiaza akoshi ewiye na bon adults papa za oye bon is decision this time so try papa za nyanse nyim na nyimpa odo na nyimpa izechi but irrespective of the times ye woman no me guest no we make sure that the baby ara no oba stand out maybe bi oye bia e sonko o ka no kwar obunyimpa na nenum asem mpo boy na no no kasa oye nkwanhye some kese ezimanyimpa me guest no menyu bia enyi hono ma onye hate me guest no nyame fa no do kasa abina bibia na nenyum so ze ozo to ha na asam aba me guest a minister OJ and pay good morning
Why for papa
wa so how I feel
we have for quite TV
nice,
you look good
Thank you.
Good to see you. The first time I meet who in person.
Oh
we have for papa oh yeah we have good to see you.
It feels so good. It feels so good that Minister OJ Sham. What?
Michelle.
Imagine.
Who's any pay need to? And I'm not back. So people watch more than they talk.
Okay.
Until they don't assume it's any pan kasa in When people don't talk, it means they are watching. Because you can't watch and talk at the same time.
Okay.
Be careful of what you are doing because people are watching.
Okay.
Even if they are not talking. Yeah.
Hey, because sure, you better if you are able to now for to some the after baby. We had this or catch him on your also at the same time into Nufabiati. Now the odd thing there, you who watch her.
You.
Here for like a say.
No, we are say. Oh, baby, I'm person meeting be so long as permit and I say could be a person what now to be obey your own share and be obey my cohon idea. But your person was about to meet now. But I'm in UK more because of family. Identity, but I shuttle between Ghana and the UK every time. Timmy Befipe, not many Ajipa, it's been around.
I see. And whether knows why you good to your skin?
Hey.
You skin now I fresh papa. I saw.
Yeah. Me so when I'm seeing skin. Making sure I said me when I'm in yet and but what goes inside me no. I have who say no more valuable. To me who be as the skin here no chain be where we are here. Though skin ya mo na besia yankobo besia mo obi ho besia ko di skin but I was say niema na after say skin we epra life na beto aso no enu nya mo enti waka mate
skin ife be sure pass the uso na so ife uso no so ife enti si abrochi na ewo me yo kasampo na erika de abagana on chere boko
me nti abrochi o be spend more time wo ho.
Okay.
Before I say to Ghana, but me spending more time with Abrochi.
Okay. What family wo?
My family wo.
Wife na wo mba.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Abrochi.
Obo o MP wa Accra, but you be a 2 hour man.
I see.
They do say a election. I want also ko go jina say na to man biu.
Okay.
Inti Ghana na me wo.
Inti ebusu enti na tat na.
Yeah. I told myself say baby I me wo we say bia me di 40 year. I'll be very close to my family.
Okay.
Nanti baby ba manante watonyom watutu kwan wa blessing for but I was somewhere when so called family. And just some few years ago I menya 40 I decided say I'll be present in their lives.
Wow.
Me pesa me hwe me ma. Say me hwe omo. Na me scientist omo. Difference need too. Nti ana ma spend more time.
That's good. Na nti no ye hwe ndam no na yem kwen na chika kwa. Minister Oji, you know when we Ghana had I want to find out about you. Until come have some kakaracho. Okay,
me nyini wo. So uti me nyoma bo baby, bo say me nyini wo baby. I have a lot of experiences. Me nyini wo begro. Me nyini wo Koforodua kakra. Me nyini wo Kumasi, me formative years need me fan say Ashanti region me picking him be bra, me picking life. That is why
age 19.
Yeah, me fan say from the age of birth 13 and now 14 there. Kumasi na metna school ye bibia.
But what he for grow?
Yeah, that's where I was born. Yes,
okay.
That's where I was born.
Okay.
But now my father a musician. Tina adwuma de ne kopie Kumasi. So I had to be there CCC. I wanna me ya school prempe. Tama me ole gon na still na me Kumasi still. And I wanna metna ya me ya sana me move ya Bakra. Atine Buakwa. I've lived in a lot of places. Okay. I'm me hu nipa, me hu life, me hu street life, me hu compound house life, me hu a lot. That is why when I write songs attaching nipa because then Yakubu person ma wo ye no. Obama wo experience side ni bi. So that all catch obi a any theory you've lived it.
Okay.
It nipa need to me relate with their work can be. That is why I grew up. But my fans are currently there. I live in Accra.
Okay.
Sanity.
Okay. Into no esa ko prempe. After prempe.
Yeah, after prempe na me call Legon.
Okay.
From Legon.
Legon is here bazo Legon.
Legon I was at school of performing arts.
Okay.
And me met Prince David.
What's that?
Nadia Mo, yeah.
Oh wow.
Prince Nadia, Fifi Coleman, Martha Nkoma, Rosalind Giza, me was schooling in a year. Not Echo Smith, my normally ahead of us. Yeah. So they're all my friends.
Wow.
There. Yeah.
And you know because so there was I act too, Anna.
I act more than I sing.
Okay.
Sing any day a covenant. I want me nyame ntema adi fufu bia meyo in life bia no nyame sema me nyanya moto because I don't me dey reach out to nipa more until I act me actipa but me major in music.
Okay.
Yes, theater act no na drama ne other way near other course utimi ye but na nyanya na me major but I do that. Yes.
Okay. So I act place na so Ghana had
oh my acting movie crowd I think said before Kojo Krabaye Kojo Lewin Genesis I was the main character in it. And here from Ipoku. Yeah, I act.
Wow.
You see it in my music.
Okay.
You see it like that. Yeah, my sample me actors I do this. It's a part of it.
I
act.
What talent to be in use, sir?
Me talent to be will be a use, but me mano and manifest and try music, you know. I preach, I prophesy, I teach, I do. But ningina na me mani overshadow music, you know, because I know the na me ati me warning wo ho. Anything something bo na metimi kwahye mu ana me mo onyo me nya hwe. Bo kwa na pese nwum no. Pese me jai. Ba me ya no asema me warning no se me njai. Tini bo 3 years, 4 years, ne bia me nwum aba no. Bo na I'm engaged was signing my name and maybe empire ukobo empire mankofo healing this side of no professor we side in tea. I na me pese me jai music no. And I'm space up a bit.
Okay. Think how long me be so the master because I attaching him and compare. You know ma ye trend there better when you know attaching him and compare. A book right but and now you man if the kitchen jazz one ma in day. But anytime say be play Beyonce, it's a powerful song.
Yeah. Says you know what? And you me a record. Think it's a record label. Idea obi fan my na wo di be wiase. Into a record that will set you to where it will live beyond you. In this person you musician na obeche wo wiase a. Men fan nyum keke ma bontin. For message, I the iron ebra. So the message first, then you set it to music. It is so where hymns near the to the normal they paid attention to text. And then I woke up, and then I nomineka. The nomineka is more important than melody now the year. Because the melody you create one of will be ready, and then I watch on now, it will be there for life. Intimidate no more I look at it beyond me. For I say many we are say and 100 and 90 and 80 but minimum after 80 years 70 years my song will still be played but that time when I'm a wuko into enyom an extension of your presence in your absence so I'm defining enyom
an extension
of your presence in your absence. Yes.
Hey, now Genesis say you me what kind of fast food here, and there obi to me Jananando in 1 month. Where is obi okase studio on here knows Abraham Yenzo. Na chede one yen.
No na popcorn. Me find popcorn.
Wodu go ma pop.
You say na you say ti e be ade e be boa wa Google na e be store ama. Obi person oba le bia wa boa fi ho.
Okay.
Aha. Because says nya make come in na close ni say tekrama mpro. Inti sa odi nyom ba bontia. Kan hu ni say enyom na de ba bontin. Edu mre bia woni wiase a. You not get opportunity to come and defend yourself or explain the reason why intia we are sad no. Inti enipa ba ko a guilt betime kun we wiase kese pa a musician.
Guilt
betime kun. Yes.
Wow.
Especially sa wo bo nyom anya nyom papa nyom a say nipa life. Nyom a eya nyom fu a. Se wunyini na won ko bo nyum bi ma ye be bo nyum no radio so still ye be bo TV so wo tibia na what sisi waso say awrade den ade na nkofo ebo den ade na nkofo munyai bo me
so do bi hadwo da wo
yeah nti bo hono ma obo nyum basabasa na later obo evangelist ombo nyum bi otimi ni butimi fu se munya nyum ne bo me se masakra me nyum na me yere ni madada ni na etwem ba ni madada no entwem ombo bo achiro
the internet never forgets.
Yes.
And I remember there me pede ma bo nyum tunyi ni but nyum tunyi be enyim no popular rapper power Ghana had or by your sofo later on was injured the yebon nyum me mizimu radio bituma aka che me injured mo bo
no plan ko bo no.
It know yes or make sense pa there or say there yeah the mazim release on your mouth so they make sure that you know message.
Yes, because about bonti abawi obi another me live e social media obi yi me cassette me born first album na ma phone atutum bi ni ma pantan bi ni mi tiri hu bi ni oji cassette ni che we mi see the singing na de chem say me wo nyum na egu ho.
Wow.
Anyuma me born 23 years ago obi wo cassette no and the cassette twem but obi wo enti imagine baby me tekrema akwa do through music.
Yes.
Enti sama fa de papa ma e bi ene manyini na my gain consciousness so okay ni maybe me na enkwara asem but I wish some anya anyo ne bebo tafona ma yesa mu pen beba mu no sanka bra betima sana chia
na menu no Ghana national watch him why one siren
okay
what the sort na pon what bo wizinya ahon
yeah
the one sir as students woman na one kids won you make Calvin call Ghana national me production assistant in the body or call Ghana national no catch am work and I'm say hey you don't know how can you fail because I'm a pabia so my yesa mo pen and it is and you know there's no need to fail because a message na panel
says unim tama no buy no me ne madam fo nana konti hini ye call Ministry of Education omo ye back and forth say ka omo partner with that na my some pen no omo mbo secondary schools ni na no pa ni primary schools omo mbo
okay
me nje omo hwe me nya hwe omo mfa nka ho sa no pa bi omo nyum nche nkora no
wow
nanka create some sort of awareness bi but they didn't do it. And I'm like, oh, okay, I papa or one medicine na yempana. I never born a yempe.
Wow.
Nanka secondary schools ni bo honoma out of you know omo ye mete I go to secondary schools ni bi na omo bo nyom na no pa bia and be seen na minyan kora ni bi omo frem say nyom my say mo pen at that time no ni headmistress e bo nyom ni chia no pa bia no na aboa yen sa na de tete kwara enyom e play major role in life say per societal changer untimi nyi musicians in film untimi nyi movies in film the reason why obi kondo say onya America obekọ no yes wa America do but ya show movie mu say America there country be ni ho no betimi overcome hom nti dey tuo huhu ne the soldier ni dey mask huhu ahye ni mu ne the American flag aba nti hu America unko hoda but kondo say onya America meko because the movie a project something positive about the country yeah the song rappers no more bad to pack more bad we move but now Yankee meko Yankee ayenwom na de sade no inti say ma yeni akoyenwom ho na senkaban ni beso imu na sponsors bebema anka bebia music ede Ghana bedu no eni nipa na woman ni bedu no anka hu hia kwa se betu sika bebregu music nko a betima sesa your orientation and our way of thinking.
Minister OJ.
Yes, darling.
Or there a 3 wise men away number 3 wise men now. Okay, sure. Okay, sure. When me just a part there, you quite. Me know was the new song in the home come. Adom Ahosepe.
Yeah.
Now so no. Before that, my mimi said I can't know to or you rewarding and why rewarding amawana.
Extremely rewarding, depending on baby or befi. Because reason any pa bia dia no. Onipa no kwa na e won nchen obo won mo todum say nipa ntene nka na omotene nka du baby a or the gaining mileage and say leverage o baby a no agya no ato aso akwa bi foforo
okay
because enyum your platform it gives you an opportunity to meet people and ka ordinarily no ka wuntimi hia omo because unyum timi hit sikani bi unyum timi hit politician bi unyum timi hit penin bi na wa pe wa asem obi timi chawade out of unyum a wabonti
no kwaro
obi timi twa business class ma say we take baby obi tu kwan akobia wo fly I'll fly because
enjoy power
na kamera na manya dan kwa inti baby I meant to menya ahode amfa sika yan kokodo my music will take me to that place
okay
because gift onipa bi was succeeding in life bia no enye so much of adwuma wo yo e dia wo de talent e na disika bro
okay
into music apevu ya mame enye music anka sabi raba kama pepe say sanka o from say oba be me interview kra me no tie nyina I say very hard coming and so still yeah it's music view fine if you come many pa wasem many pa do and are you able to occupy the minds and the hearts of the people who knew omufie but which o makuma mu obini ni kunu ekokwa na ebo nyuma mutimi janto kwane ko into you a musician now you are a very powerful person you are a prophet you are a lawyer you are a psychologist you are everything into music there awa me pa music amamenya yere music amama
why feel you too
into music there aye nyuma bebre music amama hia penifo bebre president I mean, yeah, because party we baby are a private party na. You see, papa pe onyum pa, you see betoma no. They be coded, no one ko no akwakoye.
No,
be fine be pray.
No asomara nyen. Adom Ahosepe. I don't know, but me tell you no, I am na me pede ke bibi chohen. E pede is that situation.
Yeah.
But that's in the pede situation.
Se we nyankopon adom fi ho a nipa den na obeye. So what say we adwuma hard said den cross nyame ama nkwa nyame adom anso so ama na ama nkwa untimi nye bibia wo wiase
okay
and obi anso ba bia adom locate ni fi adom locate yem from Adom TV any the tie adom ni bia na adom ye nyame na owura kwasi twum so e bia adwuma won ba bia adom si fi
yes
e bia wo adom ahase start here start fi bia multimedia because e bia enya ha na oba ya kibi obi enyimu into through this medium no e ya Adom Ahosepe because I don't know we gina so serve as a launch pad or dia launch as a media personality obi Adom Ahosepe start if you womb ye funu e wo no ifia o free mu if papa bi o free mu na etimi ama watimi agina na so abrabom because okoba bi no obo ne papa din a ebie dos ma no ti na Adom Ahosepe started from the womb obi Adom Ahosepe started from ebia spouse bi o share no na ko bona brabo in a very reckless way but oware oba bi mo ba no temu no ba no ma ne dwene ya say yenye sika ya fa mobra obi Adom Ahosepe no obi Adom Ahosepe eye so je ni bia opai na ni so ma na adwene no e sheki say ebeda ne timu yi because no feel say obi ekiri no but obi discipline no and from there na bra boss sign nti Adom ne de nyankopon do me every time utuka na do baby atumi ka say ha no nipa 10 in accident or hawi but me drive your car ni twem that place utimi drive twem nti de obi aya wo ye bi say wo je timi ye ya enyame Adom enye ni ma oni mi ntia
Minister Oje wonyom no to kakwa mam na ye mfinye ntai wonyom no kakwa Adom Ahosepe no
mi fi achiri na madu baby amadui na mi abasa so mi mu ho ni Adom Ahosepe
o kakra no ye mede no
mi bia atwam no ni padi mi unfa na mi apeja mi ti ya ma mi adansi de na mi remfini erade ayama mi o se mi kai na mi dwene de nyame de madwan brabo munna na adumo de tomia na adumti da suti asi na adumo 1 2 3 4 5 6 make it come more 7 8 9 10 11 12 na adumo
count all blessings Adom Ahosepe fufuro kra Minister Oje was aba edwum no chirema nyame na adom no osoma he papa na say if you mosima yerko yerba na adwumeza yerizi bia nyina mumi otum oboyen ho ba na oye na adom keke onye he na hozen onye he ni tum onye he ni nyansen oye na adom pocho one terminyen and the pebia bo oye drunk e be kada for 3 times a day
you
and a pa bo ewiabro enubro he fa na hwanyum na ye benya
all the media platforms is on the social media platforms YouTube, Apple Music, what they saying anyone does your Audio Mac Boom Play
platforms
I don't say yes in Spotify is there.
See, so with the new internet media sensation, see, you must create content and the chairman is one Jim Papa.
Yeah.
It's no page you don't follow.
Follow me page Minister OJ. All my handles are Minister OJ. YouTube Minister OJ. Facebook Minister OJ. TikTok Minister OJ. Twitter Minister OJ. Yeah, baby.
That's the content. So I'm back to back.
Oh, because we've recorded about 10 songs.
Okay.
Even if I vote, you know, Adom Ahosepe and top 3. That was the third song I know she released, but I'm very spiritual. The born pioneer, I say for wave the Canberra first.
I see.
The other songs coming, but Adom Ahosepe yes, me the baba and me da Ghana kwase. Me one person I make say Adom Ahosepe a part of Ghana. Ghana for ni me dinye. Me one artist that anytime be able to do new baby ano. Ghana for so and they love me, they love what I do. Inti my mom intimi nya atwi nyum ne bo. Anka me imagine say me bo me nyum in English so that I forget about my people. But I don't do that. Yes.
You want to me the most me dey han say aso ye da wase.
Yeah, me Ghana for mpam chew. Be say me dam wase. There be o here sis, ma me ka say me chew. Un say ye live wo ewiase ba bia ye hu ahokire mo. Inti I feel say emwo nipa de bebo obi o si yesika there be se nipa do na o de ade ba no mogituma
yes
eyemo akese eche money
no kwar
obi timi bonyo but ne hu ye Ghana fo here ade bi o de bebe bia people attack it because nipa na reject nipa but mitimi question 4 years 3 years 2 years now the nyomba na nipa so ma me take Ghana for granted cra Ghana I'm so thankful, I'm so grateful, I appreciate the support I'm with mama me nyina be bia nyi Ghana bunya say Ghana mama support that Ghana has given me maximum support and I'm so grateful.
Okay, you know, Minister Oje last words time na yanamwa. Yeah.
Last words I say me that management I say me that Minister Daniel Chuma say I want to say a very big thank you to him, Chris Appel, a very big thank you. Then also special people are baby Amikobia and ono mutu nyamani gum within the media space, a gospel billboard, a Lois Hype, and they've been so good. And bloggers all over Ghana, all over the world, almost streaming. Please just go online and stream the songs. Ebeboa, and no bit my let me actually any public me who. My brother and the producer the fellow Joe Aware or land in the studio and recording all the musicians who came on board, drummers, guitarists, Obi Obebi, Estagodo, Pasami. Mungina Maya, yes, sir, yet me put to do it together. And a very special thank you also to my wife, baby will be a Flo, you know, I'm talking to you. Why are dear? And your man and your worry woman, your brother to see progress, but Yamina Mosoy, I'm grateful. Me da Ghana phone in a see. Yamin show be a one for him interview. And ya Adom cannot pay wins to see any wing I Adom.
Is a banana
yeah, into Yamin Samo. I'm so grateful. Now, patch on my YouTube channel, my new YouTube channel is Minister OJ. Go and subscribe so that you can get more songs and you can stream it. And based on that, you need to be your substance kakada more songs. Yamin show be a means of my casa, you know. Yamin shame.
Many a lot of artists at Nahade actually come. This is the first time we'll be the massive for the opportunity.
Yeah, okay.
The very first time I will be academic. Thank you. We'll be our shame me and the acquisition amazing. Into no I don't know. Yamin show. No, your case. You also hear that all the time say in your message na echemanyo you to me nyebi na you to me zi bibo hena brabo because an chama hena nke bia ya mu binum so nka ya ye wokra nti no nyame hyew bebre that say papa dey and pay yeton safro no so to me nyambre na ye Minister OJ wo fofo kra Adom Ahosepe say edona iye papa mebe ye nyina anye dey bekekete enwum na ama no wo streaming platforms ni nyina do supporting you by listening to the song share na fofo so ntum na won tie enwum na won enjoy enwum ni bi na enwum no obe ye nhira ma awo na wa ye nhira ma fofo so na webusu emu nyinara ate mezen komo no bezebesi hade special thanks on call ma cafe ba no a de bia wo boy ho na abo to home yen ma yetum ye babatina say Minister OJ some files ku free no ho no ma only dey wiaze o say they are thankful for everything because just by the grace of God Adom Ahosepe KKT Badwam Ahosepe no besi ha is the founder president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. Wobe Kofi Ampedu medase bebre for the opportunity. Is mom de mutuna ma so matna de na menye mpanyfo bi dam atwetwe nkomo because some years back no nanka no nyame place yi be nanka mo paaze can you place in so wobe Kofi Ampedu no biara wa mo opportunity ma metu alternative da kase bia nyame nhwe ho bebre mezi besi ha de nyame ya Adom aye besana ye hia makran won